Guys, it's Mel here. Today I'm taking out my vlog camera to vlog my day because I have a really busy day. It's currently 7:17 and I just got ready. I'm kind of in a rush, so I'm not gonna say too much, but today I'm going to do some acupuncture right now. That's why I'm up this early. And then later I have a workshop to do some ceramics, which I'm really excited about. I've never tried it like with the turning wheel. We have a workshop at 4 o'clock and then in the evening maybe I'm gonna go out to eat. So let's go. Acupuncture and it hurts so fucking bad. Oh my god. But now I'm gonna go to ladies market because I have time before my pottery class. So yeah, I have like a thing on my head right now and I need to like get rid of it tonight. I'm like having trouble walking. It hurts so bad, and my fingers as well, like I cannot move my hand. That was crazy, honestly. I think I'm gonna go back like on Monday. Today is Thursday. Honestly, I'm kind of scared now. So I'm currently on Ladies Market Street, but everything is still closed. So I'm gonna walk around and it's getting very hot, but it's very empty too. The pottery class and it was beautiful, and now I'm gonna eat some hot pot for the first time. I think. Oh no, I ate it at home actually, but I'm eating out. Hey guys, I just arrived home. I'm sorry if you can hear the AC, but it's so hot outside. It's currently almost midnight and I'm waiting for my turn to shower. It was a really long day. I woke up at 6:30 and it's midnight. I'm so tired, but it was such a great day. Like, I did some acupuncture, which hurt a lot. It still hurts. I still have my needle right here. I'm gonna like take it out before I forget and shower with it. Oh my god, guys, can you see it? That was in my head. No blood. That's fine. But yeah, I'm really sore. I can still feel like where he pushed the needles, which is really hurtful. And I'm gonna go back on Monday, which honestly I thought that once I tried it I would be fine with it, but I'm even more scared to like go back. Like, you can really feel like some sort of electric shock all along. And then I did the pottery, which was really fun actually. I'm gonna go back on Monday as well. But yeah, I'm gonna shower and probably head to bed very soon. Hey guys, it's currently 10:45 and I just got ready. I put on a dress. I love my outfit today. I'm going out to eat some dim sum. Yesterday I went to acupuncture with my uncle and he told me about a restaurant that's really old style, so he wanted to like bring us there, so we're going today. He said that it's really like old style with papers and like stamps and stuff like that. So he wanted me to experience it, so he's bringing us. So hopefully it's gonna be good and fun. I did acupuncture yesterday, and like he told us to wear like long sleeve and like really cover up during the night because of the AC. And I think I kind of caught a cold. I don't really know, like I feel like you can hear it in my voice. But and also I kind of feel a bit sore. We can see a few spots where he like put the needle, and it's red right here. This is needle point. This is like a beauty mark. But anyways,